This here you see here is Ku Ilioloa. Hell, this was a navigator school. And this was where the navigators coming from America, ancient land of Kahika, would come. A bunch of rocks over here. I'm sure they had a purpose. So this is a terrace platform. A lot of fishing and agriculture happened here. This is what's left after the destruction of the Hawaiian temples in 1819. And there's boulders everywhere, so I'm sure this is buried under here. Another tier up here. I'm going back some fish ponds back here. No, it's all not taken care of. Sure, there's some like ponds you could bathe in. Tier terrace. Bunch of boulders was probably used for something, but it's just destroyed and thrown all over the place. This is the scenery you'd see of Pokai Bay, the Waianae coast. And it goes down, all the way down to the waters. The beautiful waters of the Waianae coast. So navigators would come here and they would teach. This was a school for navigators. And this is where they would journey off on their journeys to San Francisco. This is only 2,000 miles away. The same distance Tahiti is from here. You see these bigger boulders. See the notches? Yeah, there's always these notches in the boulder. And in the mainland we see a lot of notches. Like the ancients had like a way of locking it in using metal moldings, liquid metal, and poured it in there and connected. It's still being researched by many people. We see a lot of those in Polynesia as well. it truly looked like. You may never know, but this is a representation of what it wants to look like. It's one thing I noticed. Always around these sacred sites, there's a lot of bees. See all this whole bush is a bunch of bees on it. They thrive in these temple areas. So you see all these bigger boulders. A lot of them covered up by this clothes and by the homeless clothes and these bushes that they planted here. Looks like a horse. Another secret spot. You see a lot of the boulders, ancient rocks. So this is like our main fishing spot today. Salt. So we used to make our salt. So, see that? Take that out. That's salt. So season all our food. See that? Salt. And the one grown in the red dirt, that's the red salt. It's a healthy ecosystem right there. On the paw. Okay. See ya.